Good morning, students. I am Deepali Patil, your maths teacher from Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent School, Muktai Nagar. In this section, we are going to study next example, that is question number 9 of our exercise 4.3. Question number 8. Similar example we had already seen in previous exercises. So try to solve that question at yourself. Okay. Now in this section, we are going to study question number 9 of this exercise. So our question number 9 is what then? Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 into 3 upon 8 hours. Okay, this is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is given to us. Okay, we have to convert it in the form of fraction. Okay, so two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 into 3 upon 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter, okay, one tap is of larger diameter, takes 10 hours less than this smaller one. Okay, so the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than that of this smaller one. Okay, to fill the tank separately. Okay, separately they take different times. Okay, separately larger tap need different time. Okay, require different time, and smaller one require different time to fill the tank separately. Okay, find the time in which we have to find out the time. Okay, that time in which they fill the tank completely. Okay, so we have to find out the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, so we have to find out the time in which both the taps separately fill the tank. Okay, so here the time is given to us and it is in hours. Okay, 9 into 3 upon 8. If we have to convert it into the fraction, then how can we convert? 9 into 3 upon 8, which is equal to 9 into 8 and then add 3 in it. Okay, so we get it as 75 upon 8. Okay, 75 upon 8 hours. Okay, so we get this 9 into 3 upon 8 hour means what? 75 upon 8 hours. Or if we divide this 75 upon 8 by 75 by 8, then we get something. We get 9 hours and 37 minutes. Okay, so we take this fraction only. Okay, so here two water taps together. Okay, so see, if we draw the diagram like this, see if this is our tank. Okay, see, this is our tank. Okay, this is tank. Okay, so the tap of larger diameter. Okay, suppose this is the tap of larger diameter. Okay, suppose this is a tap of larger diameter. Okay, and this is a tap of smaller diameter. Okay, together both these tap fill same tank. Okay, same tank, one and only one tank. Okay, means together these both tap fill this tank. Okay, but this larger tank required different time, and this smaller tank required different time. Okay, if the diameter of this tap is greater, then we can say that the tank can be filled in less time. Okay, and if the tap of this if the tap has smaller diameter, then obviously it required more time than this larger tap. Okay, so what is given to us? Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 into 3 upon 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than. Okay, so if we suppose the time taken by this tap to fill this tank is x, then how can we say that? So what is the time required for this larger one? Obviously it requires less time than that of this smaller one. Okay, means we can say that if this smaller one required 15 hours to fill this tank, then obviously this larger one required 10 hours less than this 15. Means we can say that if it required x hours to fill this tank, then this larger one requires x minus 10 hours to fill these tanks. Okay, separately they fill the tank. If it required 15 hours, then obviously it requires 10 hours less than that of this smaller one, and hence it requires x minus 10 hours to fill the tank. Okay, they both separately fill the tank. Okay, both separately fill the tank, and both required different time to fill the tank. Okay, so write down this in sentence. Okay, so suppose the time taken by this smaller time be x. Okay, then the time required to fill the tank by larger time be x minus 10 hours. So write down here, let the time taken by smaller tap let the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank be x hours. Okay, be x hours. Then larger one required 10 hours less than that of this smaller one. Okay, then the time taken by larger tap to fill the tank be x minus 10 hours. Okay, obviously larger one required 10 hours less than that of the smaller one. Okay, so we can say that it requires x minus 10 hours less than that of this smaller one. Okay, so these are the times of smaller tap and time required by smaller tap and larger tap to fill the same tank. Okay, now what is given? Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, see here the in previous sentence, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. See, both separately required x hours and x minus 10 hours. Okay, so if they required x hours and x minus 10 hours, then means x hours are required by this smaller tank and x minus 10 hours are required by this larger tank. Okay, so how much part of this tank will be filled by both the tanks in 1 hour. Okay, so write down the time taken to the time taken to fill the tank the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank in 1 hour. Okay, so how much time it required? Okay, how much part of this tank is filled by this smaller tap? Okay, how much part of this tank is filled by this smaller tap? Okay, in 1 hour. Okay, so how much part it filled? Okay, the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank in 1 hour. Okay, to fill the tank in 1 hour, how much part of this tank will be filled by this smaller tap? Okay, how much part? Okay, if this smaller tap required 15 minutes to fill 15 hours. Okay, 15 hours to fill the whole tank. Okay, if the smaller tap required 15 hours to fill the whole tank, then obviously in 1 hour how much part will be filled? Okay, out of this 15 hour only one part is filled, means 1 upon 15 part of this tank will be filled by this smaller one. Okay, so we can say that out of this 15 hour, if 1 hour in 1 hour it filled out of this 15 hour, if we think about this 1 hour only, then 1 upon 15 part of this tank will be filled by this smaller one. Okay, means we can say that this 15 hour means what hour? X hours. Okay, because smaller tap required x hours to fill the tank. Okay, so this 15 means what hour? Guessing x hours. Okay, means out of x hours we can say that out of x hour in 1 hour 1 upon x part will be filled by the smaller tank. Okay, so how much time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank in 1 hour? Then so write down the time taken by larger tap to fill the tank in 1 hour. Okay, so how much part of the tank will be filled by this larger tap? Okay, in 1 hour, then okay, if it required x minus 10 hour, okay, it requires whole x minus 10 hours to fill this whole tank. Okay, it requires x minus 10 hour to fill this whole tank. Okay, so in 1 hour how much part of this tank will be filled? Okay, so out of this x minus 10, we are thinking about only 1 hour, so we can say that out of x minus 10 hour, in 1 hour 1 upon x minus 10 part of this tank will be filled by this larger one. Okay, so together how much part they fill? Okay, because both the taps fill same tank. Okay, both taps fill same tanks. Okay, together they fill the same tank. Okay, so how much part will be filled by these both taps in 1 hour then? Okay, so write down here, they both together filled 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, together they fill means we can take their addition. They both together fill 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 part of the tank in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour, because both together they both fill this tank. Okay, so in 1 hour they smaller tap fill 1 upon x part. Okay, and larger tap fill 1 upon x minus 10 part. So together they fill 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 part of the tank in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. So this is about 1 hour. Okay, all this is about in 1 hour, but our hours are different. Okay, our hours are 75 upon 8 hours. Okay, this is all about 1 hour. They fill 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 part in 1 hour. So in 75 upon 8 hours, how much part they fill then? Okay, so write down here, therefore part of tank filled by both the taps together in 9 into 3 upon 8, or we can say that 75 upon 8 hours is equal to, okay, means we can say that, okay, together both filled 1. If we are thinking about 1 hour, then we can say that 1 into, because they require 1 hour to fill this part. Okay, 1 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, because time is 1 hour. Okay, if the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank in 2 hours, then how can we write it as 2 upon x, and we can write it as 2 upon x minus 10. Okay, so we take 2 outside and in bracket we write it as 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, means we can say in 2 hours it fill 2 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, so in 75 upon 8 hours, okay, in 75 upon 8 hours it fill 75 upon 8 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus. Okay, see here. Okay, this is all about 1 hour. If we take the time as 2 hours, then we can write it as 2 upon x, because out of x hours they require 2 hours to fill 2 upon x part. Okay, 2 upon x part. Similarly, for larger tap it requires 2 upon x minus 10 parts. Okay, if 3 hours are there, then we can say that 3 upon x part will be filled in 3 hours. Okay, and by larger tap 3 upon x minus 10 part will be filled by the larger tap. Okay, in this way, if we take 2 outside, then we can say that in bracket only what is remaining, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, so in this way, if the tank filled by both the taps together in 75 upon 8 hours, then how much part will be filled? 75 upon 8 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. So according to the question, so write down here, according to the question, how can we get the equation then? So according to the question, both the tanks fill one and only one tank. Okay, only one tank is filled by both the taps. Okay, only one, means we can say that this part is nothing but only our one tank parts. Okay, so we can say that 75 upon 8 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. Okay, these are the parts of one tank. Okay, means we can say that this part and this one part means what, this is all about only one tank. Okay, these are the parts of our tank and both the tap together fill only one tank. So we can say that this part and this part is nothing but our tank. Okay, this side and this side nothing but our tank. Okay, so by solving this question we get our values of x. Okay, so find out by using any method that you have seen in earlier videos. Okay, so here solve this. So write down dividing both side. Okay, here dividing both side, if we divide both side by 75 upon 8, then dividing both sides by 75 upon 8. Okay, by 75 upon 8, then we get 75 upon 8 divided by 75 upon 8 get cancelled, we get 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. In this side if we divide 1 by 75 upon 8, then we get denominator of denominator becomes numerator, and therefore we get 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to denominator. In denominator we take again denominator terms, means it becomes numerator, means 8 becomes numerator and 75 becomes denominator. Okay, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to what, then 8 upon 75. Okay, now take the LCM. Okay, means LCM, or you can solve it by cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into x minus 10 plus x into 1 is x upon x into x minus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Therefore x plus x is 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x, which is equal to 8 upon 75. Okay, again take cross multiplication. Okay, 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. Okay, therefore, okay, transpose these terms to RHS side. In this side only 0 is remaining, so 8x square minus 80x. Okay, 75 into 2x is minus. Okay, if it transpose these terms to LHS, it becomes negative. Okay, this term is negative, so this term becomes negative. So minus 75 into 2x. Okay, minus 150x minus 75 into minus 10 means plus 750 is equal to 0, and therefore 8x square minus 80x minus 150x means what, minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Okay, now solve this equation by using any method. Okay, so I am using here quadratic formula method. So here write down all the values of a, b, c. Here a is equal to 8, b is equal to coefficient of x is minus 230, and c is equal to what, constant term 750. Okay, and now find out discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square means what, minus 230 bracket square minus 4 into a is 8 into c is 750, which is equal to 230 bracket square means what, 52,900 minus 4 into 8 into 750 means we get 24,000, and which is equal to, if we take the subtraction of these two numbers, then we get 28,900. Okay, now put all these values in our quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula is what, here we are going to find out the value of x, and therefore we can use the quadratic formula for variable x. Okay, therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of capital T upon 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 230 plus minus under root of d means this d, under root of 28,900 upon 2 into a is what, see here a is our 8. Okay, upon 8, which is equal to 230 plus minus, so see here 289 is the square root of 17. Okay, and if we think about these zeros, then we can take it as under root of 700, under root of 28,900 means what, it is a square root it is a root of 170, so we get plus minus 170 upon 16. Okay, and again we get two values of x here, and therefore we get x is equal to 230 plus 170 upon 16, or we can say that x is equal to 230 minus 170 upon 16. Okay, and therefore we get, okay, by adding this we get 400 upon 16, and in this side we get, by subtracting this we get 60 upon 16, and therefore x is equal to what then? So divide 400 by 16, we get 25. Okay, and after dividing 16 by 60, okay, simplify this 60 upon 16. Okay, so divide it 8 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 0. Okay, then again by 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, means we get 15 upon 4. So we get x is equal to 15 upon 4. Okay, again here x is equal to 25. Okay, x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 15 upon 4. Okay, so here this value is not possible here. Why? If we are going to find out the time taken by larger tank, so we can take it as 15 minus 4 minus 10. Okay, because our x is 15 minus 4 here. Okay, 15 upon 4, our x is 15 upon 4, and we know that time must not be negative. Okay, so 15 upon 4, and we get it as minus 25 upon 4. After solving this we get it as minus 25 upon 4, but our time must not be negative, so this value is not possible. Okay, so write down here, therefore x is equal to 15 upon 4 is not possible, okay, and therefore we get x is equal to 25. Okay, and therefore we get x is equal to 25. Therefore write down here, time taken by smaller tank. Okay, so this is time taken by smaller tank. Time taken by smaller tank is equal to 25 hours. Okay, and therefore find out the time taken by larger tank. Time taken by larger tank is equal to what then? 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 hours. Okay, and in this way solve this example at home. Thank you.